Come on down to Naperville. Come on down to Naperville. Come on down to Naperville. Come on down. Oh boy, I just can't take it anymore. Oh yeah, I forgot to update. Now I need to open Origin 2. I also need to open Origin for it to run. I'm a space cadet. Vanquish multiple enemies in one crater. Team Vanquish time! Come on down to Naperville. 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 Oh boy, come on, come on. Load. Z-Tech Ooze-a-Fire. Robots around here is the only use these rounds hiding humans and their brains out of their homes to get to your plate. Side effects, it could temporarily weight. This such as and bouncy, but it'll beat us. I'm being exaggerating. I'm gonna go with the Space Cadet. They usually want Crater Maker. Oh shit, the planets are in the lead. Transform! Love that. Do. Wasted the Crater Maker! Reach my maximum. Oh yeah, you fun. Did I get hit? Oh no! I got the hiccup. Is this me or do I have to hit? One down, one to go. Waste it! Do I have the hiccups? Is it just me or is it the oh boy. I can't play some Naperville like this. Okay, go, you're totally right. Hey, Daddy. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Not it. I am really having a hiccup. Oh, hell no. I'm out of here. Oh boy, time to play. I'm gonna play some Overwatch. Oh! Let's see which one should be. I'm gonna be Tank all by myself then. Oh! Hiya, Gargantuar. Are you gonna play some Overwatch? No, Winston! I have the hit! You have the hick? Huh! Have you been drinking hick jukeboxes? Very funny, Winston. I have the hiccups! Oh, the hiccups. Huh. Well, can someone find? Well then, have you tried? Try standing upside down for at least 30 seconds, and then they'll go. Okay. I'm gonna play some Overwatch. Ba-dum bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum 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 bum bum ba-dum bum 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 ba-dum 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 bum bum ba-dum 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 bum ba-dum bum ba-dum. Nah. Boom, ba-dum. Hey, I bet Hiccups are going. Hey, what's that one?
Why are you upside down? Or am I upside down?
I'm upside down.
You have the Hiccups!
But who are you?
I'm a supply llama from Fortnite.
Fortnite? The game that took YouTube by storm?
Nah.
Oh. I actually had the hiccups.
Hiccups, eh?
The hiccups.
Oh, I know. I think I'll make yourself a hiccup-free. I can't get your hiccups.
No, I can't drink out. I think he'll make it worse.
Make it worse?
I'll become drunk.
A little bit calm. Okay.
Just hold your, just.
Stay on eyes, okay?
Okay. Thank God. Thank God I failed. Otherwise I'll have some more hiccups. Okay, Gargantuar. Stay on the edge. 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 Huh? Stay on the edge. 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 Oh! What's stopping I do, Mr. Krabs?
I was at you looking for some money, and I believe you broke the treasure.
I was trying to get rid of...
What? I believe you have hiccups.
Yes, I do have the hiccups.
Hiccups, eh? Might I suggest? Laying down on your face for a few minutes.
Okay. Must reach sleep.
You want to get a reference to a 3DS game? It came out 2 years ago. Well, you might know it because you watch Crazy Toast.
You escape. Sake. Kit Kats. Who? Did I dream about Kit Kats? Sake flavored Kit. My Kit Kat flavored sake. Shit! I have the hiccups again! Great! I have the hiccups. I have tried staying upside down, holding my breath, sleeping on my face, and staying on the edge, and all else and everything failed.
Hey, Gargantuar, what's going on?
Hiya, Purple Zombie.
I've been told you have the hiccups. And all of them failed. And I also heard you said about Kit Kat flavored sake, which surprisingly has a very low alcohol content. Yeah. If you're 21, the best sake start is kick up with sake.
You're promoting.
Oh, sorry.
Anyway,
My found the only solution is to drink water. Water? Aqua?
Hydro? Oh boy, burgers. Drink some water. Some water. Oh boy, it's water time. Time to get hydrated. James, were you the one who drinking the water?
Yes, I do drink.
Yum. Good water. Excuse me. I'll make do a thing. Do 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 do. Wait, did I do the same song from Upside Down? Probably up a bit. Should I pick a different song? Oh, excuse me. Did you notice me? The Hiccups are gone! Well, for a zombie, your plan at work.
Yeah, I know Gargantuar.
I actually got help from Winston, a llama, and Mr. Krabs, but they all did not work.
Wait, a llama? You got help from a llama?
This llama.
Huh? Gargantuar, that's the supply llama from Fortnite.
Yeah, but also talk can also talk.
It can also talk. I did not get the joke. I did not get the joke very well.
By the way, we have been recently replaying Fortnite because it's on Chapter 2 Season 3. Well, guess that's it for today's episode. Thanks for watching.